To effectively monitor Semrush Social Media Toolkit, start by understanding the platform and its various features. Semrush is a comprehensive digital marketing tool that offers a wide range of features including technical SEO audit, keyword research, and social media management. The Social Media Toolkit is designed to help users manage and monitor their social media presence across different platforms. First, navigate to the Social Media Toolkit section within the Semrush platform. Here, you will find an overview of your social media performance, including engagement metrics, follower growth, and content performance. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and the various metrics being tracked. Next, connect your social media accounts to the Semrush platform. This will allow you to track your performance across different social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. To connect your accounts, simply click on the Add Account button and follow the prompts to authenticate your social media profiles. Once your accounts are connected, you can start tracking your performance using the various metrics provided by Semrush. This includes engagement metrics such as likes, shares, and comments, as well as follower growth and content performance. Use these metrics to identify areas for improvement and adjust your social media strategy accordingly. In addition to tracking performance, the Social Media Toolkit also provides features for scheduling and publishing content. Use the content calendar to plan and schedule your social media posts in advance. And take advantage of the Post Ideas feature to get inspiration for your content. To get the most out of the Social Media Toolkit, it is essential to track your performance regularly and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use the comparison feature to compare your performance across different social media platforms and identify areas where you can improve. You can also use the analytics feature to dive deeper into your performance data and gain a better understanding of your audience and their behavior. Best practices for monitoring Semrush Social Media Toolkit include regularly tracking your performance, adjusting your strategy based on your performance data, and using the various features provided by the platform to optimize your social media presence. By following these best practices and taking advantage of the features provided by Semrush, you can effectively monitor and improve your social media performance and achieve your digital marketing goals.